Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today, as I create this golden mandala, we awaken and align your solar plexus chakra, Manipura, which is the center of personal power, confidence, and transformation. This is your time to reconnect with your inner strength, not through force, but through calm and radiant certainty. As you breathe and watch the mandala unfold, allow your energy to shift from self doubt to self belief and from hesitation to purpose. Close your eyes and let them soften. Take a deep, slow breath in and exhale gently. Bring your awareness to your solar plexus, the space just above your navel. This is your inner sun, the source of your power, will, and clarity. Visualize a sphere of brilliant golden light glowing here. At first, it may be soft, a gentle radiance. With each inhale, it grows brighter. With each exhale, it expands further, filling your abdomen with warmth and strength. Now imagine this golden light beginning to rotate slowly, spinning clockwise, creating perfect harmony in your energy field. This is the rhythm of confidence, steady, peaceful, and unstoppable. As I place each dot on this mandala, feel that rhythm aligning your inner world. Each dot balances your energy, strengthens your focus, and restores your inner leadership. Take another deep breath in and feel that golden energy spreading upward to your chest, shoulders, and arms. It expands through your heart, filling it with calm assurance. It flows down through your legs, grounding you in stability. It fills your mind with clarity and vision. Now imagine yourself standing on a golden pathway surrounded by warm sunlight. Ahead of you, you see a version of yourself that radiates confidence. Shoulders back, posture relaxed, eyes bright, energy calm but powerful. You walk towards this version of yourself, and as you approach, you realize this is not someone else. Step into this light, feel the merging, the warmth, the peace, the recognition. You are now fully aligned with your confident, radiant self. The golden mandala forming before you reflects this exact energy, balanced, harmonious, and expansive. Breathe in deeply. Feel this energy vibrating through your body like a hum of a quiet power radiating from within. You are no longer seeking validation. You are no longer waiting for permission. You are standing firmly in your truth. Your power is not loud but luminous. Your confidence does not control, it inspires. Your strength is not rigid, it flows with grace. Now imagine a river of golden light flowing from your solar plexus outward. It moves into your environment, touching the world around you. Everywhere it goes, it transforms fear into trust, hesitation into action, confusion into clarity. And this is what happens when you are in alignment with your true self. You become the light that transforms energy effortlessly. Let this golden current flow freely. Let it remind you that you have the power to change, lead, and create. Take a deep breath in and exhale gently. Now rest in this glow for a few moments, in full harmony with your energy, your body, and light. You are not trying to be powerful, you are the power, balanced, divine, and radiant. Now I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can either repeat them out loud or you can repeat them mentally. I am aligned with my highest power. Confidence flows through me with ease and grace. I act from the place of clarity and calm strength. My inner light transforms fear into courage. I trust myself completely and I am enough. Take one deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your entire body wrapped in gold light, warm, peaceful, and powerful. You have realigned your solar plexus energy today. You have reawakened your confidence and reclaimed your personal power. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day. And with this energy, you walk with grace and you speak with certainty, and let your energy transform every space you enter. If this meditation helped you feel stronger and more centered, share your experience in the comments below. Your light may be the spark that reignites someone else's courage.